Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your weekly love reading for the month of October. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you can take guidance from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I'm gonna use this pattern. This is easy for both of us to understand what is happening in your love life. I'm gonna take 4 cards for your partner's feeling, attention, and situation. 4 card for your feeling, attention, concentration, and 2 card for mutual energies. Okay, Capricorn, let's get started. What is the Capricorn person's feelings towards Capricorn? What is the Capricorn's person's feelings towards Capricorn? What is the Capricorn person's feelings towards Capricorn? And we are having here 8 of Pentacles, 3 of Cups, 4 of Pentacles, Queen of Cups. So what are the Capricorn's feelings toward this person? So what are the Capricorn's feelings toward this person? We are having here 5 of Swords, the Moon, Strength, the Fool. So what are the mutual energies? The Hanged Man, 3 of Wands. These are your cards and sign that could relate it to your person. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn with this 8 of Pentacles, 4 of Pentacles. Leo with this Strength card, Pisces with this Hanged Man, and again Pisces with this Moon card. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this 5 of Sword. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius with this 3 of Wands. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this 3 of Cups and Queen of Cups. Okay, let's talk about your person's feelings, Capricorn. Your persons want to work on this connection with you. They want to invest their time, they want to invest their energy in this relationship with you. But the thing is that this person is like so moody. This person is so like into full of themselves, and they are also so like holding on their self. They are not they want to work on this. They want this thing with you, like maybe they want your friendship. Maybe they want you to be in a party mood with them, and they want to work on this thing. They want to maybe work on their own self. And yes, I can say that this person want to work on their own self. Maybe they are trying to make themselves good. They are loving, they are caring, and they are like holding on their love. They reserve their love, and they're a little bit moody, and they want to work on themselves. I think they want to work on themselves, and they want you to be in touch with them. They want you to be friends with them. They don't want you to leave them completely, completely cut off the communication. They want to be with you. They want to be part of your life. They want to work on themselves. They are also protecting their heart from they don't want to disappoint you, and they are protecting the way you react when this person disappoint you, and they are protecting their heart from this reaction. They are so like close off sometimes, because they are a little bit moody, but they are reserve their love, and they want to work on their self, and they want to be friends with you. They want to be in touch with you, even as friends, like friend zone. And in your side, let's talk about your feelings, Capricorn. You are like You are right. You think you are right and you will do anything to prove yourself right. I am not the one, like, I don't sugarcoat things, Capricorn. Whatever I feel, I say straightforward. You will, you are in a control, like, you have a great control on your emotions, and that's why you think you can prove yourself right because you are not losing your mind, you are not losing yourself, and you are in a complete control. But there is some kind of fears inside you. You feel some kind of things inside, and you want to control these fears. You want to control your like the thing unwanted feelings. You don't want to feel that, and you want a new beginning in this situation, Capricorn. You want to, like, you are having a complete control on your emotion. Even with this moon card is like about fears. Moon card is like when you are in a dark street, walking alone and feeling so uh, like scared, but you have a complete control on your emotions, and you will use everything in your power to prove yourself right. And even you like left alone, this is your fear. You want to prove yourself right to this person. You don't want to like deal with anyone's BS. You don't want that. But being alone is your fear, Capricorn. But I think sometimes we need to do, for a new beginning, we need to do like hard. We take hard decisions. We choose hard decisions in order to make things right. So let's see what is the mutual energies. And this person is stuck with you. This person is totally stuck on you. This person really don't want to let you go. They will work on their self for you, and you want to travel away from this person. You don't want to be in front of this person anymore. You are analyzing things, you are watching this person from distance, and also you want a distance between both of you, Capricorn. So let's see what else we have for Capricorn. What else is for Capricorn? What else for Capricorn? We are having here Ace of Pentacles, Nine of Cups, and as an outcome, Ace of Wands. So Capricorn, this person want to offer you love, want to offer you affection, want to have a relationship with you from zero. They are working themselves. They are like want to offer you love. This person love you, and whatever you decide in this situation, whatever you take a decision, you are happy. Maybe you are alone, but you are happy in this situation. Like you take a right, you do a right thing. Sometimes we have to fight back in order to do a right thing, and you are like totally satisfied on your whatever you do. You are totally satisfied on this. As an outcome, we are having a Ace of Wands. Some kind of thing in a recent future, in a upcoming week, something, some kind of passion switched on in your person's heart and in your heart. I think they gonna offer you love. They gonna offer you affection. They will they will feel passionate towards you again. They there is some kind of like a light, strong passion between both of you and in this person's heart for you, Capricorn. They are gonna talk to you. They not just talk to you. They feel so passionate towards you, and they want to start with this relationship. You want new beginning, and this person want to start a totally a new all over this thing. That's two around two. They want around two with you. So let's see what advice messages I should have for you, Capricorn. What advice messages I should have for my Capricorn? No need to fix, need to accept, believe in destiny, celebrate your uniqueness, learn from your mistakes. These are few advice messages in the end. Hope this resonate with you and helpful for you. Thank you. So, and the summary of your readings, this person want to work on their self, and this person is protecting their heart from like conflicts and fights, and they want to have you, they want to be in your life even as your friend, and they will work on themselves and make themselves able for you. And you are like on a complete emotionally you are completely strong, and you take a decision and you are totally satisfied on your decision. And there is in upcoming week you both feel a huge uh, spark of passion between both of you. These are few summary of your reading. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you so much for your time and attention. God bless you. Bye.